Hey everyone, welcome back. Another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix PUBG not working and not opening Android phone and iOS. So let's start the video without wasting your time. So how can fix this issue? So first of all, open settings, check his networks, connected Wi-Fi networks, and find networks and connected. Click on mobile network and here's 4G recommended. Check, click here and back. Again, open network settings, tap on VPN. So here is connected the VPN. You have removed VPN from Android phone. Close page, again open settings. Scroll down, tap app and notifications. Click on PUBG mobile and then scroll down, tap on storage. You have clear, cache and clear storage app, and then tap here and tap on uninstall PUBG. You have, do you want to install this app? Okay, and uninstall PUBG and click on force stop and back home screen. Again, open Play Store app and check here the updating PUBG app and install again PUBG, and then tap settings and scroll down and check here the storage on Android phone. Now you can see here is full storage. You have removed some apps. So guys, if you have any problem, tell us in the comment. I highly people subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.